Hi guys, so this is the second part of the video. I'm kind of tired right now because it is 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't sleep too good, but it rained all night, so my hole is all pretty much filled with water. And we have my little dog Daisy, so she'll be helping me dig a hole. We'll see you then. Look at the hole I can do. It all rained last night. I filled up a pool. But yeah, all my stuff got filled up. Alright, so if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, turn post notifications on because I'm going to be adding a waterfall in there because right now it shoots too much water. So before I put them in, I'm going to try putting a waterfall in there with more rocks and stuff too.